How can I get control plus left arrow to go back one word in iTerm2? I was reading up in the Linux manual and I noticed that it said I could use control plus left and control plus right to move forward and back words in the terminal while editing. Pressing control plus the left or right arrow key moves backward or forward a word at a time, as does pressing escape and then B or F. On OS X, control plus left and control plus right normally control spaces. I have disabled those. I also tried to use the preferences pane to set the keyboard shortcuts. However, this does not work and causes this error. Also, if I am in iTerm and use Alt plus Escape then B or F, the character moves back and forth. This was happening before any of my config changes. But I'd really like to be able to use Control plus the arrow keys.
Bash. Just add the following to ~/.input. See this archived wiki post for some more explanation. If you want to use the Alt key instead for word-to-word movement, like default OS X behavior, use ZSH. ZSH by default does not use the redline library, and therefore won't read ~/.input. To get the same functionality, you could add the following to your ~/.zshrc to use control. To use the Alt key, see this documentation for more about the built-in ZSH line editor there. Why is this? You've set up your profile to use the stern defaults. This is why you'll need to catch this sequence and tell Redline what to do. If the above still doesn't work and you are using OS X 10.9, Mavericks, or thereabouts, you probably need to disable the global mission control shortcuts, which prevent control plus arrow keys from reaching iTerm, even if mission control itself is disabled. You can do so from System Preferences Keyboard Shortcuts Mission Control.
Working solution for ZSH. Simple, straightforward, out of the box. Go to Preferences, Profiles, Keys, Keyboard Behavior. Low preset, Natural Text Editing.
I fixed it this way. In top menu, go to
Actually, I found the easiest solution was to go to my profile settings, found in Profiles/Keys, removing the offending profile shortcuts as profile overrides global in iTerm, in my case Alt plus left and Alt plus right, and then the global shortcuts worked perfectly for me. Also, if you're using OS X, it's probably best to stick with system-wide shortcuts, i.e. using Alt plus left and Alt plus right instead for this purpose. Having different behavior in terminal is bound to cause a pain eventually. Other than that, Chmac's solution to use Better Touch tool was an elegant way to change control plus arrow's behavior in iTerm only.
you want to watch please save for me.